Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today, I want to share a very beautiful design, very attractive and latest designs, latest more and other ideas, more and other videos of many beautiful and charming looks ideas I will be sharing with you. And most charming looks, everyone you like see more minimalist and more beautiful and latest designs, latest more and other videos, latest more and other ideas. I will be sharing these amazing full ideas of home interior designs, trendy 2024 modern living room designs, ideas for living room, coffee tables designs. Coffee tables ideas are woodens, are classy and latest designs, latest ideas are most trending designs of 2024 and more beautiful videos are you like these amazing ideas of living rooms are will be sharing these amazing videos of coffee tables. Coffee tables are also to sharing with many ideas are many beautiful videos are you like these amazing videos. It's amazing and attractive designs and latest videos, latest more and other ideas are comfort and cozy. Create a cozy ambience by incorporating warm colors, plush textures, and comfortable seating options. Add a large, inviting, latest sofa colors combo of adding for latest colors combo of tables. Tables are also sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many ideas, with many beautiful design are many attractive designs. If you guys are most charming looks of different colors combo are curtains colors combo, ceiling spelling are tables colors combo I will be sharing and achieve a sleek and sophisticated look by embracing modern elements. Opt for clean light, minimalist furniture and natural stone. Consider adding a statement, a piece like a contemporary coffee tables are unique lighting fixtures to create a focal point in the room. Do not forget to accessorize with art pieces or sculptures and that reflect your personal styles. Our latest videos, latest attractive and unique ideas. It's unique videos. Are you like these amazing videos? It's amazing and beautiful design. Everyone you like see many others videos, see many others ideas. Our latest most beautiful designs are you like these amazing videos. It's amazing and beautiful and good looking in natural elements. Consider using wooden furniture, wicket basket and potted plants to create a fresh and organic atmosphere. Are you these sharing? Remember, the key to a well-decorated living room is to create a space that reflects your personal style and make you feel at home. Whether you prefer a cozy retreat, a modern sanctuary, or a blend of different styles, let your imagination guide you in creating a living room that you will loving spending time in. We hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiring for your living room decor. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting living room coffee tables designs. Until next videos, our most demanding design, most beautiful videos, our latest design. Latest more and other ideas, you will be a perfectly and most demanding design. I will be sharing with you. Everyone, you like see many others ideas, see many others videos. I will be sharing with you. Everyone, you like see many others ideas, and most demanding and charming ideas are latest ideas